Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's quick video, I will show you how to log into the trip.com app so you can easily manage your flights, hotels and travel bookings in one place. So let's get started. First, open the trip.com app on your Android or iPhone. If you have not installed it yet, check out my previous video on how to download and install trip.com. Now once the app opens, look at the bottom menu and tap on sign in option at the bottom right. Now tap this blue sign in or register button. Trip.com gives you a few ways to log in using your email, your Google account, or your Facebook account. You can register with your Apple ID as well if you're using iPhone. If you're logging in with your email, type your registered email, then enter your password. Let's go with our email address for now. And tap continue. Now set a password for your new account. Once done, tap continue. As you can see, a link has been sent to my mailbox. Let me check that. Here, simply tap verify my email. Sometimes trip.com might ask for a quick verification code for security. Just check your email or phone and enter the code to complete the login. As you can see, my email has been verified. And that's it. You are now logged into your trip.com account. From here, you can view your bookings, manage your rewards points, or plan your next trip very easily. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another quick guide like this one. Thank you for watching and happy travels with trip.com.